guys, so happy to be doing this for you. Okay, so this dance is a new dance, one of those dances that we need to learn, that we are a little bit behind. This is also going to be the one being done at the flash mob on September 14. A couple of you are going to be doing it. So it's called, what is it called? Scootin Bootin is a new dance, and of course it's going to be there for our workshop in London as well. So I'm going to do the whole rundown, then I can break it down and count it a little bit after for you, and I'll try to put some music after too. Yes, let's give it a try. All right, so we're going to start with kind of like a kick, hook, kick. So kick, hook, kick, and step. The other side, kick, hook, kick, step to the left, body weight in there. You're going to do a step bump, step toe bump. We're going to do a rock, recover, half turn shuffle with the left. We're going to rock with the right in an angle, quarter turn shuffle to the right. Now we're going to walk kind of halfway. So we're going to do step with the left, quarter turn with the right, step with the left, and then we're going to do a coaster. Okay, same thing, another half turn going back. Now step with the right, quarter turned to the right with the left, goes into the other quarter turn with the right, and a coaster. Yes? All right. From there, we're going to do kind of like a walk. We're going to, now from here, you're going to start with the left. You're going to step or stump is the dance as for step, we can clap. We step again, 2 claps, and then we're going to do a rock, recover with the left, and a coaster. It's done. That's the dance. Let's do it now with a count. All right, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yay! There it is. Some of you play the breakdown and then play with the numbers or the count, but I'm going to break it down a little bit more. Yes, let's do every 8 counts. Here it is. So the kick hook, so it's kick, hook, kick, step, kick, hook, it, step, touch and bump, touch and bump. Yes? All right, from there you're going to rock. Rock to the left like a sway, recover, half turn shuffle with the left, rock right corner, shuffle to the right, quarter turn. Now there come the half turns. Whoopsie, here it is. So left, quarter turn, and coaster, bum, bum, bum. Yes? Now the right, step, quarter turn, coaster, bum, bum, bum. Stomp and clap. Stomp, clap 2. Rock and coaster step. And hook and hook and hook and touch. Side bump, sway, rock, shuffle, half, corner rock, quarter shuffle, step, half, quarter turn, and coaster. Right, turn, coaster. Left, go stomp, clap twice, and rock, recover, or coaster. Again, hook and kick and hook. Side and bump, sway, half turn shuffle, rock angle, quarter turn shuffle. Here's the half turn. Step, quarter turn, coaster. Right, quarter turn, coaster, and stomp, clap, clap, rock and coaster. One more time. Kick, hook, kick, and hip, and side touch, rock, half turn shuffle, angle, quarter to the right shuffle, turn, turn, and coaster to the right, turn, turn, and coaster. Here's the stump, clap, clap, rock, coaster, 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, well, bad news. There's a tag and 2 restarts. So the first tag is at 3 o'clock when we're here and we're doing the hook after the 20 counts. When we're doing that quarter turn step, so step, step, and then to the right, we're gonna do it with the music so you'll see it. We start all over again, and then they start the restart. There's a tag. The tag will be basically, so half turn shuffle and half turn shuffle. We've done that many times. So that is the tag. Is going to be on, and I'm not going to be telling you things that they're not supposed to be. Here are the notes. So the tag is on wall 4, which we start at 3 o'clock. As I said, we start the dance. By the time we did the turn, we're going to be at 6 o'clock when we actually have to do the restart. So the tag starts here. In this case, the tag starts with the right foot. So right foot half turn, cha-cha or shuffle, then left foot shuffle, and then we restart at 6 o'clock. Okay, so again, wall number 4, we start the tag or that after the 20 counts. So we start the dance on this wall at 3 o'clock. We're going to be here, and then from there we're going to do that tag, turn shuffle, and then we restart the dance. The second time there's not a tag, it's just a restart, and that's when we're at the front. We're at 12 o'clock doing the dance regularly. When we do that turn, the rock, quarter turn to the right, now we are at 3 o'clock, the dance starts all over again. The music tells you, honestly, like we do most things, but I will point it out. Yay! Let's try with music? We should.